Gold has protected wealth for 5000 years, but Bitcoin was designed to replace it. So, which one actually wins? Bitcoin supply 21 million, gold supply unknown reserves. Is Bitcoin really better than gold? Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, recently made a bold statement. If he had to choose only one, he would choose Bitcoin over gold. But why would a long-term supporter of gold say this? And is Bitcoin truly a better investment? Let's break it down. Robert Kiyosaki has once again publicly supported Bitcoin. In a recent social media post, the New York Times best-selling author said, if forced to choose between gold and Bitcoin, he would pick Bitcoin. Now, he also clarified that ideally, investors should own all three gold, silver, Bitcoin. But if only one asset could be chosen, his answer was clear Bitcoin. Why? Because of supply. Kiyosaki believes Bitcoin has a structural advantage over gold due to its fixed supply. Let's understand this. Gold is valuable because it is scarce, but you don't actually know how much gold exists in the earth. New gold reserves can still be discovered, mining technology keeps improving, supply can increase over time. Bitcoin is different. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million coins, not 22 million, not 25 million. The protocol mathematically guarantees that no more than 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Right now, more than 19 million coins have already been mined, which means we are very close to the maximum supply. According to Kiyosaki, this engineered scarcity is brilliant, and basic economics says if demand increases and supply stays fixed, price pressure moves upward over the long term. That is why he believes Bitcoin is a better long term investment than gold. He even said, glad I bought my Bitcoin early. Controversy around his Bitcoin sales. However, there is another side to the story. In late 2025, Kiyosaki revealed that he had sold a portion of his Bitcoin holdings. This happened around the time Bitcoin dropped below $90,000. He disclosed that he said approximately $2.25 million worth of Bitcoin. According to him, he originally bought those coins years ago at around $6,000 each, but this created confusion because in January 2026 he also claimed that he was continuously buying Bitcoin along with gold, silver, and even Ethereum. Some critics questioned his consistency, so while he strongly supported Bitcoin, his actions have sparked debate. The debate between Bitcoin and gold is not new. Gold has thousands of years of history, physical presence, central bank support. Bitcoin has fixed supply, digital portability, borderless transactions, growing institutional adoption. Gold is traditional sound money. Bitcoin is engineered digital scarcity. Both have strengths, both have risks. The real question is not Bitcoin or gold. The better question might be what role does each asset play in your financial strategy? Robert Kiyosaki clearly believes Bitcoin's design gives it a powerful advantage, but investing decisions should always be based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Gold preserves wealth, Bitcoin grows wealth. The real question is what is your goal? So, what do you think? Is Bitcoin truly better than gold, or is gold still the ultimate store of value? Comment below. I want to know your opinion. Thank you.